AutoCAD 2022 Premium Tutorial. Learning AutoCAD, tips and tricks, and much more. You can get one free course. Click on pause button and read the full video description. AutoCAD 2022 is powerful design and drafting software used to create precise 2D and 3D designs. When you wrap up these courses, you'll be prepared to use AutoCAD competently in architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, or product design. Take your CAD skills up a notch. Work smarter, not harder, with AutoCAD. AutoCAD Tips and Tricks provides tips, techniques, and workarounds to make designers like you more effective and more productive. Learn how to use AutoCAD features in exciting new ways, customize the workspace and shortcuts to save time, create more accurate drawings with the measurement and organization tools, and more. Experts' insights give you that competitive edge you can't get from a regular training manual. Watch, listen, practice, learn. Learn anywhere. Switch between your computer, tablet, or TV. Practice while you learn with exercise files and subtitles. Lifetime access and no subscription needed. All courses without a sponsored ads. You can get one free course. See how it works. Click on pause button and read the full video description. On computer, you just have to click on the show more link. On mobile, you just have to click on the video title.